Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh tomatoes, red bell peppers, onions, and a few Scotch bonnets for that authentic kick. Don't forget your protein of choice, whether it's tender beef, succulent chicken, or flaky fish. We'll also need some good cooking oil, a small can of tomato paste, and your favorite seasonings to bring out the rich flavors. Now, let's prepare the vibrant pepper mix that forms the heart of our stew. Wash and roughly chop your tomatoes, red bell peppers, and onions. Add these to a blender along with the Scotch bonnets. Blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Remember, we want a thick consistency, so avoid adding too much water. This rich blend will give our stew its signature color and flavor. It's time to cook our delicious stew. Heat about 1.5 cups of cooking oil in a large pot. Once hot, add the tomato paste and fry it for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Next, pour in your blended pepper mix. Let this simmer on medium heat for 25 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oil floats to the top. Finally, add your pre-cooked protein and seasonings, then allow it to simmer for another 10 minutes. Your incredible Nigerian stew is now ready to be enjoyed. This versatile dish pairs perfectly with a variety of staples. Serve it hot alongside fluffy white rice, boiled yam, or fried plantains for a truly satisfying meal. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. This stew is fantastic for meal prepping and tastes even better the next day. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.